Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Lani Agkawili, 34 years old. I'm married and I don't have a children. In my family, I was the fourth. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters.
What is your religion?
I am a Christian.
Okay, what is your educational attainment?
I was undergraduate. I'm undergraduate at college.
What is your course?
My course is HRS leading to tourism.
Okay, how long you studied in college?
First sem only, Ma'am.
First sem. Have you ever worked before abroad?
No, Ma'am.
So, do you have any experience before here in the Philippines as a helper?
I have an experience here in the Philippines.
How long?
For more than 2 years.
And how many members of the family did you serve?
There are 1 couple and 1 old man, then 2 kids.
How old the grandpa?
The grandpa, I think is 79.
Okay, is he still healthy when you work with them?
Yes, ma'am.
The kids are...
The kids was boys. The elder was 8 years old, and the youngest was 6 months old.
Okay, so what did you do as a helper in the house?
First of all, the important thing I do was to take care of the children, and if I have time, I do clean the house and wash the dishes. And sometimes they ask me to clean the cars.
How many car?
2 months.
And how often you do car washing in a week?
Once a week.
Okay, so once a week you do car washing.
Yes.
And how many helpers in the house?
I'm the only one, ma'am.
Okay. What's the reason you want to work in Hong Kong?
I was looking for a good opportunity to work outside the country to help my family.
You're married but no kid.
Yes, ma'am.
And your husband allows you to go abroad.
Yes, ma'am.
Your day off will not fall on Sunday. Is that okay for you?
Yes, ma'am, no problem.
Are you willing to look for a kid in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
You love kids.
Yes,
Can you handle naughty kids?
ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids?
I'll try, ma'am. Yes.
And there's a grandparent staying in the house. That okay for you?
It's okay, ma'am.
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
And if ever you feel homesick, what will you do?
First of all, I'll pray and I'll make myself busy.
Okay.
And after that, I will ask myself what was the purpose and why I am doing that job, so that I can overcome my homesick.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer needs me, I'll stay.
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
I'll do my best, and I can promise them that I'm trustworthy. I'll make them satisfied with my work, and I will, if they want me to take care of the kids, I will love them as my own, like that.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
Even 10 years, if they want me to stay.
Okay, as long as your employer needs you, you will work with them.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2283.